Good morning. Before this day unfolds, pause for a moment. Feel the quiet stillness around you. Close your eyes and breathe deeply. Inhale hope, exhale doubt. Remember, today is a blank canvas and you hold the brush. This is your invitation to step into a space of clarity, strength, and intention. Take a deep breath in through your nose, hold it, and release slowly through your mouth. With every exhale, let go of yesterday. Let go of mistakes, worries, or doubts. They have served their purpose and no longer define you. Now, open yourself to the freedom of this new beginning. Imagine waking up in the heart of a vibrant forest. The morning light streams through the canopy above, golden and serene. You stand on a path, soft earth beneath your feet, and fresh possibility in the air. This is the start of your hero's journey, the turning point where you step forward as the strongest version of yourself. Breathe in again, slowly. With this breath, you claim your courage, your resilience, your power. As the first rays of sunlight touch you, say silently or aloud, I am ready. I am deserving of all the good this day brings. Say it again. I am ready. I am deserving. Feel those words in your heart. Imagine them anchoring you, grounding you like the roots of a great tree. Now, visualize your future self. Not far away, just a few steps ahead. They are glowing with confidence, radiating peace and strength. This is you, fully stepping into your potential. This version of you has cracked the code for balance, joy, and success. Their steps are grounded, their heart is light, their energy boundless. Repeat after me. I am calm. I am strong. I am unstoppable. Again. I am calm. I am strong. I am unstoppable. Say it like a promise to yourself. Let the words reverberate through every cell. You are not carrying the weight of what you haven't done or the doubt of what if. You are carrying infinite possibility. You are walking into this day with a mind that's clear and a heart that's full. Anything is possible and everything is working in your favor. Can you feel the energy shifting? It begins in your chest, a warm, glowing light. Picture this light expanding outward, spreading through your body, your space, your world. This is the energy that draws success, joy, and abundance. With this light, you are not just waking up, you are rising, you are stepping boldly into the story that you were meant to live. Repeat after me. I choose peace. Breathe. I choose strength. Breathe. I choose joy. Now let's imagine the moments ahead, each one shimmering with promise. A day where you are in control of your thoughts, where challenges are not walls but stepping stones. As you continue breathing deeply, tell yourself, every task I take on today, I do with clarity and focus. Feel the truth in it, because it's not just a goal, it's who you are. And on this magnificent morning, carry this thought. You are the hero of your own story. Yes, there will be setbacks. There will be moments when you falter. But every hero finds their strength in those moments. Every hero rises stronger, wiser, fearless. The journey ahead is yours to claim. So step forward, not with hesitation, but with purpose. You are ready. You are capable. You are enough. Take one final breath in. Let it be the deepest you have taken all morning. Hold it and release. Now open your eyes. Feel the air around you. Feel your body light, your mind still, and your heart open. Today is your day. Make it remarkable. If you want to carry this same powerful energy into your week ahead, join me for another 10-minute morning meditation waiting for you right now. Click here and keep stepping into your greatness. Let's continue this journey together. Thank you.